Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make okaka butter shoyu no onigiri. It's onigiri rice balls seasoned with soy sauce, butter, and okaka fish flakes. The fish flakes add so much flavor to it, and it makes the onigiri very addictive. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this okaka butter shoyu no onigiri, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need. 2 cups of Japanese rice, 3 packs of katsuobushi fish flakes, 3 tablespoons each of soy sauce, butter, and sesame seeds. I'm going to prepare the rice first, so let's rinse it. Add some water. Stir gently. Drain. And just repeat this 3 or 4 times. Let's put the rice in the pot here. It's 2 cups of rice, so I'm adding 2 cups of water. Rice and water is always 1 to 1. Cover with the lid and let it sit for half an hour. This will give enough time for rice to soak up the water to the core, so the rice is nice and fluffy to the core when it's cooked. Soaked for half an hour, so let's start to cook. Just turn the heat on and bring it to boil over medium-high heat. Once it comes to boil, turn the heat to low as you can go and let it cook for 12 minutes. Cooked for 12 minutes. Turn the heat off and let it steam at least for 10 minutes. No sneak peeking. Steamed for 10 minutes. So let's fluff and season. Soy sauce, butter, sesame seeds, and katsuobushi fish flakes. Mix well. Put the lid back on and cool it down until it's still hot but touchable. I left it for 20 minutes or so, and it's still hot but touchable. So it's time to make it into onigiri. Prepare a bowl of water, just plain water, some salt, and small bowl to standardize the size of each onigiri. Wet the mold with some water. Not too soggy. Put some rice. Wet your hands completely to the palm. Again, not too soggy. Put some salt. Rub it all over your hands. Take the rice on your palm and try to make it into the signature triangle shape. Let me show you one more time. Wet the mold. Put some rice. Wet your hands. Some salt all over your hands. Take the rice out and into triangle. And just keep going until you finish up all the rice. I made 7 regular size onigiri and 1 baby onigiri for the tasting, using 2 cups of rice. Let's try! Itadakimasu. The umami of the fish flakes is phenomenal, and the butter makes the whole onigiri so rich and flavorful. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Okaka butter shoyu no onigiri goes here. Anything you like for the other dishes. But how about otofu to chingensai no soup here, miso mayo crispy chicken here. I think I want to have moyashi to wakame no salad for one of the side dishes, and some sort of pickles to refresh my palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!